I'll be showing you how to download GlycoAssessor version 0.3.0 for Windows OS. First, click on the GitHub link provided. It'll open up the GitHub page. Then click on the dist folder. Next, click on Windows. Next, click on GlycoAssessor version 0.3.0-gamma.exe. It'll open up this page. Click on View Raw. You will see a pop-up on the side here. It will give a warning. Click on the three dots. Open the menu. Click Keep. Click on the three dots next to the Delete button to bring down the drop-down menu. Click on Keep Anyway. And now you will have the GlycoAssessor file downloaded on your Windows OS. Click on Open File, and now you have the application. Next step is to go to your File Explorer, click on Downloads, and here you have the file GlycoAssessor version 0.3.0-gamma. Double click on it, and now you have the application.